Designers approach new challenges with a spirit of hope and optimism. If we don't like the way things are now, new futures can be constructed. We're big proponents of using the design thinking process as a catalyst for change in schools. When educators imagine what is possible and set aside what appear to be immovable constraints, the energy they exude is palpable. People enjoy working on challenges that empower them to work with colleagues, as creators, and designers. There are two great reasons for educators to take up design thinking. First, it's a fun, hopeful, optimistic way for teachers and administrators to work together to make their schools even better. And second, students learn more from who we are than what we tell them. If we want students to see the value of design thinking, then we should demonstrate that in our own practice. The best way to get students to embrace innovation through iteration is to try it ourselves. In this unit, we'll explore how schools and organizations can leverage the design thinking process to address broader, more systemic challenges in education. We present diverse examples of schools and systems driving change with design. We'll hear about developing partnerships, engaging diverse stakeholders, and building coalitions for change. We also talk with leaders of public and private schools working with their faculty and community to redesign the way teaching and learning happens on their campus. Their stories demonstrate the vital role leadership has in influencing culture and supporting new efforts. As the assignment for this unit, we'll ask you to consider a meaningful problem in your own organizational context. The most common strategy for school improvement over the past few decades has been the replication of best practices, where people find something that works in one context and they try to replicate the same practice elsewhere. But time and time again, when an effective strategy works in one classroom or one school or one district, it fails to be equally effective when adopted somewhere else. If we want good ideas to take root, solutions have to be adapted to each local context, which includes the people, the organization, and the community. Human-centered design can help us find and adapt solutions to meet the needs and problems of different users and different communities. Great designers understand that local expertise is essential to creating better futures. In this unit, we want to empower you to combine what you're learning about design thinking with what you already know about your community to make teaching and learning better for your own students and for your colleagues.